Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a time-played leaderboard in Roblox Studio. First, you'll need to set up a data store service to handle saving and loading player data. Create a new script within Server Script Service to house your leaderboard logic. This script will manage tracking each player's time and updating the display. We'll also define a function to handle the actual time tracking. To track playtime, connect to the player. Character added event. Inside this, create a while true do loop that waits for 1 second using task. Wait, 1. Within this loop, you'll increment a numerical value representing the player's total time in the game. This value should then be saved to your data store, ensuring their progress is recorded. For the visual display, create a screen GUI and add a scrolling frame to hold the leaderboard entries. Inside the frame, design a text label template for each player's name and time. You'll then retrieve all player data from your data store, sort it by time played from highest to lowest, and dynamically populate the scrolling frame with these sorted entries. Ensuring data persistence is crucial. When a player joins, use data store, get a sync, to load their previously saved time. When a player leaves the game, use data store, set a sync, to save their current time played. Always wrap your data store calls in a pcall function. This helps prevent script errors and ensures your game can gracefully handle any issues during data saving or loading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.